Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to track visitors. Of course, like you always used to know from me, I will be showing you a lot of methods, so make sure to follow all my steps. So make sure first that you are opening your WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and then after you open it, go and put your username and password just like so. Easy peasy. Let me show you how you can do it. Something like that. 1 2 3 for me, and here I am. So now what you have to do, I will show you two versions of WordPress. Here is the oldest version and this one is the newest version. So let me show you first with the oldest version. You go ahead and open login plugins, and from here you can install new plugins, and you can here and click on add new, and then visitors tracking. Or you can here, okay, there is this one, visitor traffic real time, or you can go to traffic and download whatever you feel from these. Like you can use whatever you want, whatever you feel like. This one has 2k download, so it will be, I think, better for you to download it, and it is already installed in my WordPress, so I think they recommend it. So the second method, which is connecting your WordPress to something like Google Analytics or something like that. So if you find here Google Analytics, I don't know if I will find it, but if you find it, it will be good. So yes, this one, Set by Google Analytics Search Console AdSense Speed. So this one will help you as well with finding like your traffic. The second thing, which is with the newest version of WordPress, you just have to go to stats, and from here you will see all the visitors and views, likes and comments. Of course, from here as well there is this users section. From here you will be able to see all the users that have visited your website, that have created an account or just visited your website normally. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually see how much visitors you got in your website. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.